In response to the anticipated arrival of Jagadguru Shankaracharya and his group at Shillong Airport in Umroi, Bhoi district on the 28th of September 2024, several pressure groups including the Khasi Students Union, the Hynniewtrep Youth Council, the Federation of Khasi, Jaintia and Garo people, the Bhoi Youth Federation and the Confederation of Bhoi people gathered at the airport to protest. The group led by Jagadguru Shankaracharya Swami, Avimukteshwaranand Saraswati had planned a cow protection rally in Shillong on the 2nd of October to declare the cow as the mother of the nation. Local pressure group leaders opposed the rally, viewing it as a challenge to the traditions, culture and sentiments of Meghalaya's indigenous communities and a violation of their democratic rights. Bhoi Superintendent of Police Jagpal Singh Thanao informed that the state administration is working to prevent the landing of the Jagadguru's chartered flight at the Shillong Airport in Umroi to avoid any law and order disturbances. However, the official added that if the flight is barred, there remains a possibility that the spiritual leader could travel by road from Guwahati to Shillong.
But from Agartala, he may fly back. There is a possibility.
Then he will come here.
He cannot come on the airport because his permission to land here has been denied. It is confirmed. His location presently is in Agartala. From administration is concerned, we have written to Airport Authority of India not to allow landing of person who can lead to potential law and order problem. As far as information as of now is concerned, even Agartala Airport, they have rescinded permission for him to fly out of Agartala to Umroi. But he may fly to Guwahati. And then whether he takes road route, we cannot comment on that. That is why we are here for, to ensure that law and order prevails and no such person who vitiates the environment is allowed. See, airport doesn't belong to the state government. There are separate rules within the airport, but outside the airport belongs to state government. So in that scenario, even if it were to happen, so we will ensure that the person is not allowed to come out of the airport.
तो वो तो अभी सर आपको
किसने हमको रोका है? हमको बताया तो जाए कौन रोक रहा है? हमको लेटर दिखाया जाए, हम उसके ऊपर कानूनी कार्रवाई करेंगे बाद में। हमको कैसे कोई रोक सकता है?
सर वो तो जो एयरपोर्ट मैनेजर जो
एयरपोर्ट मैनेजर को अधिकार है किसी को रोकने का।
शिलोंग का वो लोग बता पाएंगे, हम लोग तो जस्ट यहाँ ग्राउंड हैंडलिंग कर रहे हैं, आपको सर्विस बात कराइए हम लोग। सर हम लोग
हाँ, यहाँ का जो एयरपोर्ट है वही तो हमको वहाँ जाने के लिए परमिशन नहीं कर रहा है।
हाँ कैप्टन साहब, सर वो तो शायद
आप किस आधार पर हमको लेटर दे दो कि हम इस बेसिस पे कर रहे हैं, हम उसी से आधार पे कानूनी कार्रवाई बाद में करेंगे।
हेलो,
वो आप हमको यहाँ से लिख के दे दीजिए कि ऑन दिस बेसिस आई एम नॉट परमिटिंग यू टू गो टू शिलोंग। वो बेसिस हमको बता दीजिए ताकि हम जब कानूनी कार्रवाई करेंगे तो उसमें हमको वो लेटर काम आएगा।
सर अभी जैसे कि देखिए वो जो आपका जो ऑपरेटर है हम लोग का
ऑपरेटर से मतलब
डिसीजन दिया है ना,
आपने रोका ना कि आप शिलोंग नहीं जा सकते, आपको हमको बताना पड़ेगा।